Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Yukon Elevation XL in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get this gorgeous jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with your power seat controls here at the bottom left and your leather wrapped heated steering wheel up top. Of course, inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll find your climate controls here along the bottom of the screen or these buttons down below. You get a USB-C and USB charge port, wireless charging pad, 2 cup holders, additional storage down below. And of course, inside the middle console, you have a USB-C and USB charge port as well as additional storage. Making our way through the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows to go alongside our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake, park sensors, 360 cams, drive modes, automatic high beam controls, and trailer brake controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, heated steering wheel controls, and our menu selector along the middle. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, forward collision alert, and of course our Super Cruise that does require an active subscription. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. You get a push to start ignition as well as keyless entry. And up top, you'll find your power seat controls and your tailgate liftgate controls. Jumping onto the back, we have these bench seats in the middle with adjustable controls here on the left or right hand side depending on what seat you're on. In the middle, we have heated seat controls to go alongside our climate controls. You get a USB-C charge port on each side, an AC outlet, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there's cubbies with additional storage. You also get a cup holder here along the middle. And if we retract these seats all the way down, we have 3 more seats in the back with a cup holder and a USB-C charge port on each side. Checking out the exterior here on the Elevation, of course we have our chrome accented grille with our front-facing camera and GMC badging in the middle. We have our LED headlights and fog lamps on the side. Bridgestone tires down below with our power adjustable side mirrors with black accents along the bottom. We have tint in the rear window, black running boards along the bottom, chrome accents along our roof rails and our handles here with keyless entry, tint in the rear window, and making our way all the way to the back of the XL here, you'll see we have our chrome rear accent bumper, Elevation badging, and if we pop open the lift gate here, automatically comes open with a push of a button. So much storage inside, hooks to strap in anything you might need, additional storage underneath. We have our power seat controls here on the right hand side, and you get an AC outlet. To control these seats, just push down. These will come down no problem to really maximize your storage here in the back of the XL. And that is our 2026 GMC Yukon Elevation in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.